Here's a video on how to switch out the head on your Ryobi 40-volt trimmer. Okay, so you get something like a small screwdriver, in this case I have a dart. Put it in this hole after you line it up with the notch, and you can unscrew it. And you get your new head. You can probably buy it like Home Depot or another store like that. Get all that gunk out. Put this gear thing back on, line it up. In this case it would be lefty loosey, or actually a lefty tighty, righty loosey. Then put your thing back in there, tighten it up. There you go.